some top free watch faces that you should check out on your Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Most of them are limited time free ones, so grab them as soon as possible. Starting off with the number one watch face, and this is CA150, available for free for a limited time. The design is super classy, matching with the design of Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Three sub-dials are there in the background. This one shows week meter. This is date. And here is our 24-hour time format. Further, you can change a lot of colors with this face. For example, I'm changing right here. Then you can make it silver, black, or gold. Check it out. This one is free for a limited time. Next one on the list is Bellowzi Skynox, a really premium design that is available for free at the moment. Once again, it also has three background sub-dials. This one shows step counter, our date with day, that is right here. Then we have battery meter on the left side. A lot of color options are there with the background sub-dials. Then you can change color with watch hands. After that, you can change pointer colors right here. And then we have our background color options. Link for this face will be down in description. VS Farmin is a sporty design that shows your time right here. Left side has our step counter, while right side has heart rate monitor. Bottom section has day, date, and week meter. Further, you can try out many color options with this watch face. Analog Basic 13 is a cool, informative design with three sub-dials in the background. It shows step counter, heart rate monitor, and week meter. You can also change a lot of color options with this face. Then you can make this 12 font gray or green. HMDG154 is a simple sporty design with lots of background information. For example, the top section has your day and date, while bottom section has heart rate monitor and step counter. You can change a lot of colors with this face, like I'm doing here. Then we have a few complication settings. WAW019 has a modern hybrid design with our information in this top right section and bottom left side. Weather is also there and time is highlighted right here. You can change the color with time and index dial like this. After that, you can change color of LCD right here. And in the end, we have few complication settings. HMK Digi163 has this retro design that looks really good on my Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. There is a ton of information in this LCD. Further, we have shortcuts at the top and bottom. About color options, first you can change the background color. After that, you can change the line color, that is right here. Then you can change LCD color, which is in the center. So check it out. MD278 is a classy design from MD watch faces that has four background sub-dials. Top one shows step counter. The one here shows week meter. Heart rate monitor is here. And your battery percentage is on this side. So a lot of information is there with this watch face. About color options, first you can change the color of background information. Then color of background lines. Like this. After that, you can even change a lot of watch hands style. Then you can totally change the background style. So there are endless background options with this watch face. S for URC1 is an amazing watch face for Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. The background is simple and dark with three sub-dials that show step counter, battery percentage, and heart rate. A lot of color combinations can be tried out with this watch face. This is also free at the moment, So give it a try. And this is part 1 of top free watch faces that you can try out on your Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. I'll be back with part 2 pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. And with that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.